Good morning, everyone. Can you all that are over Zoom hear me?
Morning, Your Honor.
Hi, good morning. I have Mr. Casassa and his client are present in the courtroom. And we're here this morning on a status on the 3 cases involving Ms. Gilhart, Mr. Gilhart, and the Holzhausens. I kind of wanted to see where we're at as far as getting this matter scheduled for a hearing. And so, Mr. Casassa, I'll ask you, what is the status?
Judge, as you know, there's criminal pending charges.
Yes.
I'm also in the process of setting up depositions for the petitioner.
Okay.
So I believe we have discovery in the criminal case, but we haven't even had a court appearance so far.
Okay.
So I think we need, obviously, this continue. I'm going to ask the court for somewhere at least 2 months so I can set all these things up. Maybe by then we'll be ready. I don't know.
Okay. So, and can you all hear what Mr. Casassa said? He said that the criminal case is still pending. As you all may be aware, Collier County has only just recently started resuming jury trials, which means we're very, very backed up. And that's always subject to the COVID numbers in our county, being under 10%. So I know that it's difficult to get a criminal trial at this time. And he also indicated that there have been a request to do some depositions, which are being scheduled with you folks. So we need to probably set this for another status hearing. And let's see, it probably should go into April. Let's see here. Okay. So it might just make sense to do it where we did it this time. Yes, ma'am. Which would be on my DD arraignment docket, which would be April the 19th. And maybe we'll do it at 8:45 that day too. Does that make sense? Does that work for you, Vicki? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I know that this is at the top is Edie Gilhart, is that right? And then the gentleman down below is Mr. Holzhausen?
This is Gerhardt, yes.
Gerhard Holzhausen over Zoom. Would that April the 19th date work for you folks? We'll just do another status to try and see where we can schedule you guys for a hearing.
That works for me, Your Honor.
How's everything going? Is everything going okay? We haven't had any problems in the last month or so? I hope.
Not from our end.
Okay. All right, well, good. Well, that's, was my concern when I made some orders that kind of allowed him a little bit of freedom. So, all right.
If I could ask,
Sure.
If you could ask them to contact my office, because if we schedule deposition, we want to try to do it at their convenience. Otherwise, I just have to notice it.
Sure.
It would be a problem.
What's your phone number, Mr. Casassa?
239-417.
417
0999.
0999 is Mr. Casassa's phone number. If you guys could contact him so you could get the deposition scheduled, that would be very helpful. Okay, and then we'll have it set for status in April, and we'll see where we are there. Everything okay on your end right now? As far as, is there anything that you need to address with the court this morning before we end this this Zoom meeting?
Nothing,
We're
Your Honor.
maintaining the restraining order. Your Honor,
What's that, ma'am?
we're continuing the restraining order.
Yes, ma'am. Everything's going to remain in place. We just can't have a final hearing yet.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you, everyone, for appearing this morning. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
And we'll see you in April.
So, Judge, what time was it on the 19th?
8:45. Because it's going to be right before my my DD arraignment docket.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. I appreciate it too. Thank you.